So Gary, what do you think of your of the result?
Uh, Incredible. I mean, I've been struggling with hair loss probably since my
Today we're going to present Gary. He's 40 years old, and 6 months ago he had a FUE follicular unit excision, 2,500 grafts for balding of the interior one half of the scalp, or a Norwood 4 pattern. We're going to show the pre-ops in a moment, and you can see here that he had hair loss in the front one half of the scalp. He had a little bit of a forelock, but essentially had lost a lot of hair in this area. He returns today, 6 months later, and we can see the results here. You can see he has got incredibly good growth. It's high density for 6 months, and it's a very natural hairline. You can also see here he's got curly hair, which helps, but it's imperceptible transition to the existing hair. In fact, I can't even tell where the existing hair is from the transplanted hair. And if you turn around, we'll look at the back, please. And as would be expected from FUE, it's very, very good in that you can't tell that that a procedure was performed, unlike the FUT or strip, which leaves a linear scar. Turn around, please. So Gary, what do you think of your of the result?
Incredible. I mean, I've been struggling with hair loss probably since my mid 20s, and year over year it's been progressing. Something I've been very self-conscious about for decades. Finally took the plunge. Great reviews from this clinic. I decided to interview and see if this is the place where I wanted to commit such a big procedure, and I'd do it again in a heartbeat. Fantastic results, as you can see. Like I said, 6 months ago, came in, whole day procedure, very comfortable. The staff was just incredible, made me feel very comfortable. You know, at the end of the day, like I said, I would do this again in a heartbeat, knowing the results. It's always scary, it's a big commitment, but like I said, couldn't be any happier. If I wasn't wearing a mask, you'd see my smile ear to ear right now.
And for somebody who's quite kind of on the fence, not knowing whether to proceed with a hair transplant,
Yeah.
what's your advice to them?
You know what? I was on the fence for many years, because it is a big commitment. It's a big procedure. It's a long day. Of course, it's quite an investment as well. But at the end of it, this is something that I think could really benefit a lot of people who are suffering from hair loss, females and males alike. And I decided, you know, this is something that I needed to do for myself. And yeah, I say, you know, reach out to people who have done a hair transplant or you know of. I know not a lot of people are wanting to kind of go out there and expose themselves, but at the end of the day, you know, just read the reviews, reach out to people who you know have done it, come in, talk to the doctor. It's very great person, very open, comfortable to talk to, give you real good opinions, show you different results, kind of go through all the steps, step by step, what to expect, and that provided me a lot of reassurances. So like I said, it was a wonderful experience.